instead of struggling and working hard, we're just gonna use movie magic time travel. So here we go. Wow, it's done already. That was fast. Hey, wait, I went too far in the future. Go back, go back, go back. Okay, no more of that. Let's just build it the regular way. No more time travel. Beautiful. So we got the windows in, got the drywall in. Now we need to tape, mud, texture, and paint. And then I'll show you outside. Oh my gosh, I can't see my feedback on my phone. Okay, I think you can see that. We sided all that. So we have to replace the shutters. I put up siding because I didn't want to put up all that brick again, because was all the planner, but instead of bricking it, we just put up siding. So we'll paint that white, paint the shutters a cool color, paint the door a cool color to match, and yeah, now we got some insulation, and that wall is actually really nice, especially after I tape, mud, texture, and paint it. It'll look really nice. If you remember this fireplace from episode 1, it looks a lot nicer now. So we stripped off all the paint off the door and then painted the whole thing black, painted the screens black, replaced the handles. Now it looks freaking awesome. And then up here, I had originally glued this on. This is just an extra piece of steel covering up this gap. Glued it on with construction adhesive, but obviously the heat destroyed that, so we riveted it on with these are counter flashing anchors. For commercial counter flashing, it's a lead sleeve that goes in there and you hammer a nail in. So that looks really nice, finished, looking good and polished up. This is the cabinet door graveyard, as Mallory calls it. Getting everything painted a second time, little touch-ups where the sprayer missed. It's gonna look so nice. The windows are in, the kitchen's painted, the living room's a mess, but it's painted. Hallway's painted. Got a new fan. Oh yeah.
Hey, thanks for watching this episode of We Bought a House. Stay tuned next time to see the flooring go in.